Welcome to our video. Now we we gonna discuss about in examining the process of friendship through diction, tone, and mood. So this is our topic. In this proper diction, tone, mood. The diction is refers to the words the writer uses in the poem to explain the tone and mood. It uses denotation meaning in the dictionary as well as connotation, association of words with culture or society. The diction is the ayan. So, makikita natin ang example ng isang diction. Halimbawa, beneath the old living tree, the bitterness and sweetness of our memories remain a treasure I cannot let go, and in the dark you are still again. The careful selection of words such as living trees and bitterness and sweetness of our memories highlights in the bittersweetness of love and loss. Sa tono naman o tone, this is a conveys in the author's attitude towards the subject. It is shaped by diction and rhythm. Tone can be found, cheerful, lively, playful, angry, sarcastic, and romantic. Example, the moon knows not of the tears that secretly fall, memories fade away, like clouds in the dark of night. Itong captures feelings of sadness and longing. Ito po ay nasa baba. Ito po. So, ayan. Ang mga yan is yan yung mga mga kung ano ang naramdaman mo, ganun po. Ang mood po naman is mood is the leader's feelings in an atmosphere, sometimes described as an emotional landscape. It is created using aesthetic, imaginary, and diction. Mood can be happy, mysterious, melancholy, sentimental, and suspenseful. Example, each step is filled with vigor and strength. Hope rises once again in the heart. A new day shines in every trail. We will succeed. This mode of the poem is optimistic and hope, encouraging the reader to remain resilient despite challenges. Hindi po, so pinapaumanhin po, dapat po tayo ay thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, at syempre po subscribe. Kahit anong subject po is na alam ko po lahat yan. So, thank you po at bye-bye po. Follow. So, aking channel is pangalan niya po ay ito. Nakikita nyo rin po sa baba kung ayaw nyo makita. Ito po ang kanyang pangalan. Ito po ang kanyang pangalan. Channel 1. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.